So what are the two mere what is the case number 1? This is the case number 1. What about the case number 2? Case number 2 and case number 3. I told you that is everything. Here you go.
Sir.
Every reaction, okay, every reaction
Yes.
wants to be in equilibrium state. That is what the condition. Every reaction wants to be in the equilibrium state. Now what the condition is there? Suppose what is there? I am having 3 value. I am putting Kc here, Qc here, and Qc.
Yes, sir.
Kc, I am talking about, this is 100, this is going to be 1000, and this is going to be suppose 90.
Yes.
Right? What every reaction
Yes, sir.
has to go to achieve this condition. So Qc is more, so it will come backward, so that it can be less. Means it will break into the Kc, so that it will be less. Getting? So if Qc is more, so that is backward. That is what we study backward. So that is what the condition, that is come back here. So that is Qc, if that Qc is more than Kc. So this is the case of what? Backward reaction. Can you be able to understand backward reaction?
Yes, sir.
Because everything wants to be in the equilibrium state. So that is, if suppose Qc is less, so this is want to achieve, that is Kc. It has to reach to Kc now. So how it will reach to Kc? If it will go forward direction, then only the Qc value will become equal to Kc. So this is the case of what? Forward. Okay. And this is Qc is more. If we are decreasing value, so that it become Kc. So that is backward. So that is, you see, Qc
Yes,
is less. In this case, Qc is less. So Qc is less than Kc. Okay. Here Kc is more. So this is going to be what? Forward direction. This is going to be forward direction. Can you understand this one, Jana?
yes, sir.
So this we study already. We did the problem based on it. Okay. So I hope it may be clear to
So,
you.
sir, next topic you can go.
So we can move to next topic now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next topic, Jana, when you are talking about next topic, so next topic is Lee Chatelier principle.
Lee Chatelier principle, right?
Okay. Principle for direction of equilibrium. For direction of equilibrium. Okay. This is very much important. Okay. For direction of equilibrium. See, if you want additional some information, you please put the message. I'll make the video and I will send you. Okay, in free time. Anything you are studying
Okay,
and
sir.
you are facing the
Sir, I
problem,
need
na?
problems. Sir, I need problems.
Problems, na? Okay, okay. I am forgetting daily because of busy work. But today surely I will give. If I will not give by the 10 o'clock, 10
Sir,
p.m.
this
na,
chapter, all the problems I want.
this chapter
Sir,
you
this
are asking.
chapter, yes.
If I will not give by 10 p.m. na, you just make a mess, send the WhatsApp message na. Sometime I forget.
Okay, sure, sir.
So today I'll give. So Lee Chatelier principle, what is there? This is saying, Janab, this is the also known as undo principle. Undo principle. Okay. Undo principle. This way also you can memorize this one, undo principle. Now that is I am starting. If equilibrium is subjected to change in temperature, either temperature, pressure, concentration,
Concentration.
catalyst, okay, etc. Then equilibrium
Yes,
will
sir.
shift. They are saying then equilibrium will shift. Equilibrium will shift in such a way, equilibrium will shift in how it is in such a way that, in such a way that, how? In such a way that the effect is minimized. The effect in change in minimize. In change is minimized.
Yes, sir.
Means if you are changing, okay, if you are changing the equilibrium by the temperature, pressure, concentration, catalyst, then how the equilibrium will shift in either forward direction or backward direction in such a way that effect change is minimized, so that the effect will be very less. That is what. Okay, getting my point? Tough. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, listening, sir.
Okay, well, let us see. Let us try to see the problem.
Sir,
Okay.
can you show the previous slide I was writing?
Okay, this one.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, write down, write down. Over, Jana, writing over.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, very good. Okay. So what I am saying, Jana, one point that we need to understand. First of all, we are going to study the effect of change in concentration. Let us try to understand effect of change in concentration. So that is what that is firstly we are having temperature, pressure, concentration, catalyst. This we are studying. So first point we are studying, that is effect of change in concentration. Effect of change in concentration. Okay, concentration. This is very much easy. Okay, case one. Okay, case one. What they saying, on
Yes, sir.
increasing, on increasing, on increasing, that is concentration of reactant. On increasing concentration of reactant. Concentration of reactant. Okay, concentration of reactant. So what this point you need to keep in mind. Okay, what the Lee Chatelier is saying, the equilibrium, I'm writing again so that you can understand. The equilibrium will shift, the
Yes, sir.
equilibrium will shift in such a way that, in such a way that, equilibrium will shift in such a way that the effect is minimized. Effect is minimized.
Nice.
Effect is minimized means what, Jana? That is, no, increase concentration. How? What is meaning of this? Effect is minimized. That is increase concentration. Increase in concentration. Increase in concentration should decrease. Increase in concentration should decreases. Increase in concentration should decreases. Okay. Now you see this one, N2 plus 3H2 I am having. So it is, that is 2NH3 it is giving. Okay. And
Yes,
its
sir.
concentration is increasing. Its concentration and its concentration increasing. Both the concentration increasing. So
Yes,
concentration
sir.
is, it means that is what the equilibrium will shift, which direction equilibrium will shift, so that extra added concentration can decrease. Okay, extra added, because if you are increasing the concentration of reactant, okay, so where the equilibrium will shift so that its effect is minimized. Suppose if it is going this direction, so more reactant will be there. Yes, yeah, no.
Yes, sir.
more, because NH3 will break into N2 and 3S2. Already it is more. So again more will
Yes,
be
sir.
there. So that is not minimized. This is increasing. Yes, yeah, no.
Yes. Yes.
But if it is going in forward direction, this direction, if it is going in the forward direction, so what will happen? Its increased concentration will convert into product.
Yes, sir.
So its amount will decrease or not?
Yes, sir.
So which direction equilibrium will shift?
Sir,
Equilibrium.
forward.
Very good. Equilibrium will shift in forward direction. Equilibrium will shift in,
Concentration of reactant will
yeah.
shift in such a way that it will affect that the effect is minimized. Increase in concentration
Should decrease.
should decrease. Okay.
I'm
Concentration
explaining you,
should
you will
decrease.
be able to understand. Equilibrium shift
Yes.
in forward direction. Forward direction. So reactant will convert. Reactant will convert in product. Reactant will convert in product. Okay. And
Yes.
concentration of reactant, what will happen, student Janab? Decrease or increase? And concentration of reactant will, what will be there? Increase or decrease? Read out the statement.
Increase.
See, equilibrium will shift in forward direction.
Forward direction.
So reactant will convert into product. Maximum reactant will convert into product.
Yes.
In product. So concentration of reactant will decrease or increase?
Decrease.
Thank you. Concentration of reactant will decreases.
Decrease.
So here little less space is there. If you please write, Janav, if you want to write this.
Yes, sir. I am. Yes, sir.
Okay. Converting product. So concentration of reactant will decrease. Yeah. Done?
No, sir. Just 1 minute.
Okay, you're right. No problem. Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. So this is one factor you studied. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
question is there. Question. How can you increase the production of NH3. Increase the production of NH3, right? So this is the case. Option A they have given. Okay, NH3 from this equation, from the equation. This is the important question I am asking you from this equation. So N2 plus 3H2 giving rise to NH3. You need to increase. A number by increasing, they are saying by increasing concentration of N2. Second number, by increasing
Yes, sir.
concentration of H2. C number, by increasing, no, by, next one, by taking out formed NH3. 4 number, D number, by increasing INCREASINA, by increasing concentration of N2 and H2 and E number, all of these. This is the answer. A question. Which option is correct?
Okay. Wait, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, wait.
Hmm.
First, by increasing concentration of N2, by increasing concentration of H2. Yes, sir. This both we have to increase.
Hmm.
Then, by taking out from NH3, by increasing concentration of N2 and H2.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. Sir, I think option A, B, D are correct. C, I'm not sure, sir.
Ha. Actually, the option is
So,
E.
sir, we'll go for all of these. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because,
See,
three of the options are correct.
I am explaining this. I am explaining. Okay, this one. Okay, you will be no. This is the also
Yes,
important
sir.
factor. Okay, by taking out formed NH3. See here. Here you, Janav, here is N2 is there. Then it is that
Yes,
is
sir.
no, here is 3H2 also there. It is giving 2 NH3, right? So what if you
Yes.
are taking NH3 means, taking NH3 means decreasing the concentration,
Yes, sir.
the concentration of
Concentration.
NH3, decreasing the concentration of NH3. So to undo the decreased concentration, decreased concentration, what should we do is to Janab, if to undo the decrease in concentration, more product should form. Okay, more product should form. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
more product should form. So removed amount, they are saying na. So removed amount can be again established. Okay, so if you are taking
Yes,
the
sir.
NH3, so which direction equilibrium will shift? This direction, because here will be more na. Here will be, if you are taking this one, so this direction it will be less na. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So equilibrium less and here is more. So what the equilibrium
Yes,
can
sir.
do, if equilibrium is going this direction, so it will be more less, it will become more less. Yes or no? Because it already
Yes, sir.
taken out, so it is less. If you are going backward, so less already there, it will become more less. So where it should go? So where it should go? It should go in this direction, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if it is going this one, so more will become less and less will become more, so it will become
Some
equal.
more.
So that is
Okay, sir.
that is you understood this concept. By
Yes,
taking out from NS3, the equilibrium will shift forward direction. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Forward direction means more product formation will takes place. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So our answer will be what? All of these. Getting this equation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I erase this?
No, sir, please wait.
Okay, okay. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So what I am doing, if you don't mind, you please write this one also now a little bit.
Yes, sir, I'm writing some no problem.
It will be that will be very much helpful to you to understand.
Yes, sir, I am writing.
Okay. Done?
No, sir.
Okay, slowly you write. Are you be able to understand the handwriting?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, done.
Yeah. So one more question I'm giving you. Just you tell me the answer here. Question number is there. How can you increase the production of they are saying production of SO3 from equation, they are saying from equation. So what are the equation? SO2 plus O2 reversible, it is giving 2SO3, they are asking. Option A, increase concentration of what? Increase concentration of SO2, okay, and O2, this one. B number, increase concentration of SO3. C number, decrease concentration of SO3. Okay, and D number, A and C. A and
Yes, sir.
C, both. Tell me, Janab.
Wait, sir.
Yeah. Take your own time. It is the thinking. Actually, it is based on the thinking process. That how you can undo the change in effect. You are doing undo only. If anything is increase or decrease, you have to balance by shifting the equilibrium. Okay.
Sir, both A and C, sir, cause
That is the correct answer.
increase of concentration
Uh,
of SO2 and O2. But sir, if SO2 and O2 increases, it
hmm,
should be means like the SO3 will decrease, right? So,
yeah.
cause it's inversely,
Uh,
cause it's inverse.
hmm,
So sir, yeah. So increase means like if we increase SO2 and O2, then 2SO3 will decrease. So it is both A and C, sir.
hmm. Okay, very good. Acha, let us try to understand. I'm explaining this one again, na? Okay, so keep in mind now how I am explaining, Janab. So if change in effect, they are saying change in effect, okay, change in effect should be minimized, change in effect should be minimized by change in direction of equilibrium, by change in direction of equilibrium, change in direction of equilibrium. See the point, by change in direction of equilibrium. Change in effect should be minimized, okay, by
Yes, sir.
change in direction of equilibrium. So here you see 2SO2 plus O2 reversible 2SO3, right? So if you are increasing this one, so it is more, okay, it is more you increasing now, increase in concentration of SO2O2. So increase is there. So how can we decrease? How can we minimize? To minimize, Janab, if you are putting this direction, so SO3 will convert into SO2O2, so it will become more. Already more is there, it will be more over, right? So this
Yes,
direction
sir.
backward is not possible. So what is possible? Correct one is it should go in which direction? Forward. If it is going in the
Yes, sir.
forward direction, so increase whatever more is there, it will can consume. So it will become decrease. Yes, yeah, no.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So that is if you are increasing the concentration of SO2O2, so it will go forward direction. So product will form. Forward direction means product will form. Yes, yeah, no.
Yes, sir.
Now, decrease in concentration of SO3. No, here you are saying increase in concentration. Suppose what is the second point here? See, increase in concentration. So SO2 plus O2 it is giving, that is 2SO3, here is 2. They are saying it is increases. So if it is increases, so it is more. So how can we do less? How can we it become decrease? So if equilibrium will shift in this direction, so it will decrease now. Whatever more, if it is become more than half, SO3 become more. So what we can do? Equilibrium will itself will do, that is backward direction. If equilibrium is going backward direction,
Yes.
so that is this will convert into what? SO2 and O2. Yes, yeah, no.
Yes, sir.
So it is going backward direction means formation of SO3 will decrease. Yes, yeah, no.
Yes, sir.
So this option is not correct. In no, this option is not correct. Increase of concentration of OC is wrong, because if you are increasing the concentration of O3, it will go backward direction. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
But if you are decreasing the concentration of SO3, so what will happen? You see, if you are decreasing the concentration of SO3, SO2 plus O2, it is there, that is SO3. So it is there, the Janab, it is decreasing concentration, a decrease is there. Yes. So decrease is there.
Yes,
So how can we increase? How what the equilibrium will do, which direction it should do, so that decreased amount can be restored? No. How can no? Which direction equilibrium should go to restore? Tell me.
wait, sir.
So
So,
if you are increasing this direction, Jana, forward direction, so whatever this will convert into the SO3. Yes, Jana, forward direction is product formation.
yes, sir.
So that is whatever decrease amount is there, SO3. So equilibrium will shift in the forward direction. So more product will form. So our answer, what you said, that is correctly you said, that is very true. That is A and C is correct answer. Little tough. Slowly you will apply these things concept on the problem so that you can understand. I'll give you the problem today.
Yes, sir.
Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's feel that is very less you understood this one. Little tough, yeah. You need to think more and more and more. So many times if you think Lee Chatelier principle, then it will be very much easy. Can I erase, Jana?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the effect of concentration is over. Effect of temperature. Effect of temperature.
Yes, sir.
Effect of temperature. This we are going to understand. Effect of temperature. Okay.
Yes.
According to A by C means according to Lee Chatelier principle. Know? According to Lee Chatelier principle. Okay. What they are saying, Lee Chatelier principle. The equilibrium will shift. The equilibrium will shift
Will shift.
in such a way that equilibrium will shift in such a way that its effect, okay, that is
Yes.
increase in temperature should decrease, okay, should decrease or minimize, okay,
Right.
should decrease or minimize. These things we have to understand. So Janav, you see here this question, how can you be able to understand should decrease or minimize? Case 1, in case
Yes.
of endothermic process,
Process.
where where what endothermic means, where heat absorb, okay, where heat absorb, reaction go in forward direction, okay.
Yes, sir.
Forward direction. Although it is tough, Janab, you need to study more and more number of time. But any days
Yes,
you
sir.
can ask. Anytime, any days you can ask. Again, I will explain. Okay, don't worry for that. Okay. So endothermic reaction, do you know? Endothermic. What is endothermic? Endothermic. Endothermic means Janab, endothermic heat absorb. Okay. Exothermic heat release. So heat absorb. So if it is the endothermic, Janab, so that is it will go forward direction. They are saying that is forward direction. That is what the case of this one, forward direction. So let us, I am writing here, see, N2 plus 3H2, okay, 2NH3 is there,
Yes.
and here is heat is releasing. So this is not the case. This example is not correct, because already heat is releasing now. So that is the example of exothermic process. Let me check the endothermic reaction. which we can give you the example. 1 second.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I got the answer, but it is also exothermic. Most of the reactions are exothermic, na?
Yes,
So
sir.
that is the problem. Here I got. Here is they are saying N2 plus O2 is there. N2 plus O2. It is giving 2NO, right? And here how much heat they are saying, that is, it is 181 kilojoule heat. This is going to absorb. Okay, negative sign is there, na? So it is absorbing. Okay. So Janam, what is happening here? You see how this reaction can be understand. Okay. So suppose what we are going to do, if I increases the temperature, increases the temperature by how much? Suppose I am increasing the temperature by 180 degree, 181. Okay, 181 degrees Celsius. Very tough, but you try to understand. 181. Okay, degree Celsius. So if you are increasing, this is the closed system. Na equilibrium we study on the closed system. Closed system means closed container. This is closed container. So if I increasing the temperature, Janab, so this is converting into what? 181 degrees Celsius, and here 181, negative 181 plus positive
Yes, sir.
181. So the both will be cancelled out. So here will be temperature is 0.
Yes,
Okay. So Janab, you tell
yes, sir.
me this point. Where is the less temperature? Where is the less temperature? This time, less temperature. Yes or no? Less temperature. And here is what is
Yes,
more temperature. Yes or no? Tell me. 0 degree means less, na Janab. Yes or no?
yes,
Here is negative
yes,
is absorbing. Here you supply 181. That is totally 181, 181. That is cancel out, plus minus. Here is
yes,
more.
sir.
Here is more. So if it is more, Janab, so equilibrium will try to decrease. So how it will try to decrease? If it is forwarding reaction, if it is forwarding, so some temperature will go in product side. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that is the if you are increasing the temperature in endothermic reaction. So that is which direction equilibrium will go, forward or backward?
Forward.
Forward. Forward. So Janab, you see here what I wrote. Here you see. In case of endothermic process where heat absorbed, reaction goes in which direction? Forward direction. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me write one more case, then you copy. Okay, case 2. In case of what, Janab? Exothermic reaction. In case of exothermic reaction. Okay. In case of, this is case
Yes,
2. In case of exothermic reaction, okay, where heat release, gets where heat gets released, so the reaction shift in backward direction, reaction shift in backward direction. It's very interesting. If you understand the temperature, effect of temperature, it's very interesting. See, I'm having N2 plus 3H2. It is giving, that is 2NH3, right? 2NH3. And some 46 kilojoule energy is getting released. Let me check, that is how much value they have given here. N2 plus 3H2. plus 96.3 kilojoule, 96.3 kilojoule heat. Okay, see Jana, what you are going to do, please keep in mind so many times you may need to watch this again. Okay, so now you are increasing the temperature. Okay, increasing the temperature by 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, right, understood or not? So if I am increasing the temperature, Janab, so this side the temperature will be how much? This side will be nothing is there,
It
so
will
100 degree.
decrease that side, sir.
This side, this is 100 degree. Here already 96 is
Backward
there,
check.
plus 100
Yeah.
if I am adding, so it will become 196.3 degree.
196.3.
So it is increasing with direction. Here is more now, here is more, and here is less. Yes or no? Less temperature,
Yes, sir.
and here is more temperature. So which direction equilibrium should shift, Janab?
Sir, backward.
Backward. Yeah. Thank you so much. You are trying to understand, although it is very tough, but you are trying. Backward
Yes, sir.
direction.
It's pretty tough. Organic chemistry was easy than this
Yeah.
one.
It's Janab, you need, physical chemistry required no thinking process. You need to apply this one. Yeah,
Hmm.
slowly you will be able to understand. Okay, we'll revise
Yes,
any
sir.
days. No, I'll take extra time. No, any free time, and then I will revise you. Otherwise, you ask me, I'll make. You give me a small topic, I'll make video and I'll share you. Okay, so don't worry.
Okay, sir. Sir, for this, can you means like this chapter? Can you send problems, sir?
Okay. Today I'll send 100%. I'll send immediately. I'll
Yes,
search out the problem and then I'll send you immediately.
yes, sir.
You understood this one effect of temperature?
Yes, sir.
Uh, can you write this one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then writing Janab.
Sir, just
Okay. Can I change the page? Can I change
yes,
the page?
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Next page.
Next.
Yeah.
Hmm. This is example. Okay.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Done, Jana?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. One more example is there. Please, you write that one also. It will also be
Yes,
required to whether to go forward or backward. This is also required.
yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. I'll write.
Hmm. Done.
1 minute, sir. Last line.
Hmm. Done, Janab?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. So can we study more, or the tomorrow you want?
Tomorrow, sir.
Okay, okay. So tomorrow little bit this topic still is there. Effect of pressure
Okay,
is there. Tomorrow we'll finish this topic, right?
okay, sir.
So I'll send you the problem based on it by within 1 hour.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, no problem, sir.
Okay, okay.
Thank
Bye,
you, sir.
Janab. Bye, bye, bye. Take care.
Bye. Thank you.